Baby, we got Chinese food at
So what
home.
we're gonna need, as usual, I'm gonna use chicken, napa cabbage, regular cabbage, but if you have the regular cabbage, that's fine too. And this is the main component. You're gonna use scallion or called green onion, ginger, chive, carrots, bean sprouts, sugar snap peas, mushroom, and the best for last, we're gonna need a white onion. So let's go and prepare our meal. To begin, we're gonna start open our rice noodle. We're gonna open a rice noodle. I'm not gonna use the entire part. You're gonna use hot water, a couple minutes. This is what it looks like. Couper seulement ta main parce que ça seulement ma petite. Or any size you want. Doesn't matter. Find yourself a bowl. Transfer the chicken or meat you're using into the bowl, right? These powders. Chicken powder, garlic powder, oyster, a little bit of dollop of oyster sauce, a little bit of oil, soy sauce, and the tea. You're gonna use some chili or crisp. Grate some garlic and grate some ginger. Now you let it marinate for over 15 to 20 minutes. And it should look like that. So now we're gonna prepare a vegetable. Country, we use scallion for seasoning. Seriously, yes, we're cutting it in big chunks. We cut that mushroom. We're gonna cut it like this because it's gonna be meat.
Get your pan on a medium heat and add your mustard oil. You can use sesame oil if you have. Add your chicken to the pan. Yes, add your seasoned chicken to the pan. Let it cook and dice your garlic. Add it in there. Don't grate it, dice it. And let it cook until it's tender and juicy. Remove it and left some seasoning behind. Now you add some of the vegetable, not all of it. So you add your garlic, you add your onion, mushroom, bean sprouts, carrots, and scallion. You add back the seasoning that you originally used in the chicken. You add your oyster sauce, soy sauce, dipping sauce, garlic powder, and garlic, onion, and chicken powder. You let it cook like this, and when you see a little burnt at the bottom, you use a little bit of water to deglaze it. Add your ginger. When you're done, deglaze it with some chili oil. You do not need a lot of sauce because the vermicelli is so soft. The noodles is so soft, especially rice noodles. It's so soft and tender. A little bit is enough. So after you're done, you make sure you incorporated all the sauces into the rice noodles. After that, you keep mixing, and then you add extra. That is optional, but I like mine spicy. So I add more spice. Continue whisking. Now you add your vegetable and your napa cabbage, right? So if you are someone who like your vegetable well cooked, you left it for 6 to 7 minutes after that. But if you want your vegetable to have a little crisp, like the veggies they be serving at Chinese food, yeah, leave it for only 2 minutes or 1 minute top. And you're gonna have your vegetable fresh and you have all the nutriment. Add back your chicken or whatever protein you like, and then keep flipping. Let it cook and serve. And when I said we have Chinese food at home, baby girl, trust me, you do.